Library services, I believe, are critical to all residents, not only residents in the city of Wichita, but especially the residents of District 3. The Walters branch will offer unparalleled services for its residents, including public computing, free Wi-Fi, and a myriad of physical and digital resources.
He was a lot more fun as a family member. When he was in public and when he was in front of the camera, when he was teaching a class or talking about some of the issues that face America and black folk in America, he was a very serious individual. He was the kind of person that when he talked, you listened.
And his advocacy started here in Wichita, Kansas with the sit-in. And I must tell you that we were married 25 years before I even found out that Ron participated in one of the very first sit-ins in the country before Greensboro. And I said, Ron Walters, you've written all these books, 13 as a matter of fact. And I said, you've never written about the sit-in movement in Wichita, Kansas? And he says, no, that's up to someone else. He was a private man to some extent, being a public figure. But he said, it's up to someone else to write that story.
Like 3, 2, 1, go.
It's about twice as big as our Linwood space. We have at least twice the number of public computers available that people can come in and use. We have a larger meeting room for library programming, for public access, for technology classes. A lot of people from the nearby area are coming in and signing up for new library cards, or they had a library card that they haven't had for decades, but they're getting it reactivated and signing up because we're a much more convenient location now. He's a Wichitan, born in Wichita, and went on to accomplish so much, and was really a trailblazer, in his field in the African American politics. And so for Wichita to have that link to him, and now we can celebrate that history, we have the collection here in the library of his publication.
He was very supportive of everybody being, educated, highly educated.